take a quick glance at some of those commissions that were formed, that were constituted. And in fact, there were 10 of them. Yeah. And starting right from November 1984, the first commission was the Ved Marwa Commission. And in fact, let's take a look. That's coming up on your screens right now. Some of the highlights. The Marwa Commission was appointed in November 1984, but the report was not allowed to be submitted at all. It was not made public at all. In fact, his handwritten notes, it was transferred to the Mishra Commission, but the handwritten notes of Mr. Marwa were not given. This was the Mishra Commission appointed in 1985. The report was criticized by the PUCL, and they were the ones who actually did this very, very detailed investigation into the riots. Then came the Kapoor Mittal Committee, appointed in Feb 1987. It submitted its report in 1990. 72 police officers were identified, and it recommended dismissal of 30 police officers out of those 72. Till date, a single police officer has not been awarded any punishment. So there you have it. I mean, that's the kind of action and all those. Okay, finally we come to the last one, the Nanavati Commission, which was established in 2000. And this was passed through a unanimous resolution by the Rajya Sabha. And it was headed by, of course, Justice Nanavati, retired judge of the Supreme Court. The report was submitted in February 2004. Now, of course, in many of these reports, it said that a closer look must be taken into the acts of some of the very senior Congress leaders. There was evidence, it said, against Jagdish Tytler that he had a hand, Sajjan Kumar also. It cleared Rajiv Gandhi and other high-ranking Congress party members of any involvement. It also said that the police fired 392 rounds of bullets, remained passive, did not provide protection to the people throughout the rioting. Now, that itself is very damning, if I may use the word. So all these committees have been formed: the Jain Banerjee Committee, the Poti Rosha Committee, Jain Agarwal Committee, the Ahuja Committee, the Dhillon Committee, the Narula Committee. All these committees have also been formed besides the commissions.
1947 से कम नहीं मानता. उस टाइम पार्टीशन हुआ. जब पार्टीशन में हम सुनते थे कि ऐसा हुआ, लेकिन 1984 में सिख फैमिलीज भी वहाँ से अपरूटेड होके आई थी पाकिस्तान से. उन्हें दोबारा अपने यहाँ पर इस तरह मारा गया. ये दर्द के 30 साल हैं. उस टाइम आपने 1985 में राजीव गांधी ने कहा था, जब कोई बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो धरती हिलती है. ये धरती 30 साल से हिल रही है. इन सिखों परिवारों के लिए 30 साल से जिनके अपने बच्चे इनकी आंखों के सामने मार दिए गए. 2009 में दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने एक रूलिंग दी थी. वो सबसे इसमें जेन्युइन, ये मदर ऑफ कवरअप्स जितने भी हैं ना, 30 साल में कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन, किसी बड़े नाम को सज़ा नहीं मिली, सिर्फ छोटे मोटे नाम. तो उस टाइम हाई कोर्ट ने कहा था कि हम कहते हैं कि हम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र है, लेकिन ये ऐसा बदनुमा दाग है जिसमें दिल्ली पुलिस, स्टेट मशीनरी पूरी इन्वॉल्व थी. भाई अब 4 दिन तक 31 अक्टूबर नाइट से लेके और 4 नवंबर तक पूरी दिल्ली क्या, और भी जहाँ पे भी
other cities also,
मेनली जहाँ पे कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट थी, वहाँ पर ज़्यादा स्टेट्स में टोटल 3,325 लोग मारे गए. दिल्ली में 2,733. तो ये आज तक, और क्या किया हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशन के नाम पे, क्या किया हमने, 10 कमीशन बिठाए, लेकिन क्या रिजल्ट निकले सबके सामने. किसी बड़े नाम को आज तक कोई सज़ा नहीं मिली.